Wagwan peeps, welcome to the 100% Talent Show, and today is an exclusive interview. We're sitting right now with Kaepable, one of our contestants here on the 100% Talent Show. Wagwan good, bag of things, but right now we need to know what take place inside them life right now. Let us go. Kaepable, what are you doing? We think up.
Yeah, personally, I hear that. Big up is it? Big up the whole 100% talent same time, you know? Yeah.
Alright, so people them there text on the social media, they want to know Kaepable more. You know what I mean? We can't get too in-depth in it, but we get in-depth musically, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? So introduce yourself to the audience right now, viewing live.
Alright, as I say, you are Kaepable attack, is it? East God, dancehall, breath of fresh air. You hear that?
Def.
No joke.
Alright, so before all of the fame and the light and all them thing there, Zine, when you realize you didn't really want to take music serious?
Alright, when we really realized I want to take music serious was after a tragic accident with one of my friends anyway. Him used to be, you know, the
front runner.
Yeah. And I always tell myself to write music and thing, and I always say, yo, no, I'm not writing the music, cause if you boss me not to do nothing, I'll have to just come tell me for money. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause as look at you to just a prayer, a bag of thing.
Yeah, man,
but
bro. Yeah.
Really realize I'm more for the music after him drop out, and I used to sing some of him song them, and one of my friends them decided to tell me the truth, say, yo, I have a good voice, so it don't make sense for sing people song every day, and I can try for myself. So like in a 2006, that is it.
Alright, so let me ask you now, Zian, what are your most disappointing moment in a music? What disappointed the most while you're on the journey of the music? You understand? It have to be regards to music, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Because one of my bridging them jump on the stage already and then grab the mic out their hand and then indeed flap from that, you see me? So that I feel disappointment. So why you're one?
Alright, my most memorable disappointment. We can't even talk it good.
Man, I see
because
man.
Listen, it's a show I'm going to shell.
Yeah.
It's a show I'm going to shell, and me have a cousin who was a part of the promotion, and them pay a prominent artist 800,000 for perform, and me steal the entire show. And all I asked for was 20,000, and I never received a dime.
You never see a dime?
Yeah, so that was one of the most
that shade story ever.
Yeah, one of the most disappointed moments in the music was the stage show that we never get paid for, and me take it away, you know?
Joke. Yo, so let me ask you something now still. Big man thing. Like you know, say dancehall music, you know, you have different departments in dancehall, said we. You understand? In terms of the mood. Yeah. Zine, how you describe your music though?
First and foremost, Nero, I don't categorize myself as just a dancehall artist, you know, because if I go to Spain tomorrow and I catch a vibe off a Spanish beat, me I go build a song.
Yeah, but what is your root though? Them I ask
the root?
Your root? Yeah.
Based from reggae, you know, dancehall just the same.
Right.
The upbringings from where I come from, you know, culture and all of them things there. Tradition, is it? Me that describe my music as soulful. Soulful. You understand?
Soulful dancehall.
With message, yes. Soulful dancehall. No joke.
Mad thing. Alright, you have no tracks out there promote now? Albums, EPs?
Alright, I have quite a few tracks I've officially released.
I search through some of the things there.
When I have a promote now, right now is like a track when I released like maybe a month or two ago. That me love. Me have the video I shoot for that. I just through some family issues. Get to finish that yet, but as soon as you know, time pass, I straight back to work and the video will be released shortly. You know.
Yeah, man, true. All right, so right now you have one number for dial. For do a collab with one of the greatest artists in the world, who would that be?
For one of the greatest.
Somebody just come to you right now and give you a phone that have every single great artist number. Them I can answer them. Have to answer. Who would you call first?
I call Junior Gang. I call Junior Gang.
Yeah, straight. Yo, Jano. Alright, so capable. Being a man, you have so much weight under the belt and all them type of things. So much experience. You see me? You tried a whole heap of road, brother, and thing. What are your advice to the younger talent them?
I've stick to itiveness, is it?
The word?
Stick to itiveness.
Mad.
Yeah, it's a past. I'm learning it from Pana Saturday morning program, Watch My TV. Yeah, stick to itiveness. It's like anything we do. You have to believe in it first. Believe in yourself first before. Nobody now take you serious until you take yourself serious, is me? So stick to whatever you do. Keep work on it, is me?
For real.
And
for
I
real.
hate that.
For real. Alright, so tell me now, why should people vote for you?
People vote for me because I'm one of the baddest contestants, I'm one of the baddest artists, them. I'm one of the wickedest thing in my road right now.
Straight.
That's that we have to say.
Straight.
You know what I mean?
How were you introduced to the show? Who tell about the show?
I was introduced to the show by a brother by the name of Kenny. He just gave me a voice note and told me about it and said I need to get into
history. Yeah, man, from the was history. Because me I listen to some of your songs, them, and trust me, I have 3 songs from your category where my favorite song them. Where they actually in my phone right now. Isn't it? I'm not to download song like that, so I sing them in the phone. See? So you get support in the streets, at home vicinity when it comes to the voting of the show?
Well, we get as much as we can because you know the time we're in and everybody are trying to economize as best as them can to survive. So we get as much as we can.
Alright, understandable. Alright, so here we go now. The people want to know your social handle, where them can find you, your music and such, etc.
I'm mostly active on Instagram and YouTube. So at Instagram you can find me at the, as in THE_real_capable, KAEPABLE, is it? Yeah.
It's KAEPABLE.
Yeah.
Mad.
You know we have to come with some from a
different. No, me for the first day me see you on the stage, my G. I sing and I say, that you different, different. You see me? I'm different, and I feel like I'm gonna just there further than enough of them people in the show. Based on how I see my move. I take it professional, bro.
Because I'm sure you see every chance we get for put a fire phone in my hand and talk to people. I know say I power that. And I know take that for granted.
True.
You see me? Because if I did something everybody can do, people would give are adorn musicians with some of the title them and the praise where them give it.
True.
You see it? So I know say something where people not really think of something easy, they appreciate it. So we have to just do the right thing once we know so we have the power there, is it?
Right. Alright, so you don't know that was capable, you know what I mean, on our stage right now. I have to bless him up because him come great to stage right now. You don't know 100% talent, and it's brought to you by Aqua Life, the healthier choice. You know what I mean? I am Nero. That was capable. Bad artist. What's more forward?
Sleep from your counterfeit. Me have to recognize. Yeah. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Still, man, I left my own, cause the crab in a barrel, and now I'm a climb out. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Man, I left my own. Yeah, hear me? Alright, work hard then me work harder. Like the father for the Gaza or a farmer, rather till the soil than make a next boy I mind my daughter. So me pray to the most high, Jah the master. Long life on earth, wisdom I ask for. To make any time me elevate in a life, the enemy them rise against me no prosper. Big up mama.